Carbohydrates are basically classified into four groups: monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Let me first discuss monosaccharides. Let me write it. Monosaccharides are those classes of carbohydrates which cannot be further hydrolyzed into simpler carbohydrates. And this can be classified as trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, heptoses, depending upon the number of carbons they have. Okay, let me write it first. Can be classified as trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, heptoses, depending upon number of carbon atoms they have. Another way of classification of monosaccharides is whether they have aldehyde group or whether they have ketone group. If they have aldehyde group, they are classified as aldoses, and if they have ketone group, they are classified as ketoses. Okay, let me write it down. Aldoses, ketoses, they have aldehyde group, they have ketone group. The trioses, tetroses, pentoses, these carbohydrates may be either aldoses or they may also be ketoses. Okay, let me shortly give some few examples. Trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, aldoses, ketoses, like glycerose, and its ketose form is dihydroxyacetone. And tetroses, we have example like erythrose, and its ketose form is called erythrulose. Like pentoses, we have ribose, and its ketose form is called ribulose. And the hexose, all of us know, the aldoses form is glucose, and this one is fructose. Okay, this was about monosaccharide, and let's go to disaccharide. Disaccharides are the condensation products of two monosaccharides. For example, maltose, sucrose. Let me write it down. Disaccharides, condensation product of two monosaccharide units. Example, maltose, sucrose. Okay, let us go to the oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharide is also the condensation product of uh, more than two, like two up to 10 monosaccharide units. For example, maltodextrins. Okay, let me write it down. After disaccharide, we have oligosaccharides. Is also the condensation products of two up to 10 monosaccharide units. For example, maltodextrins. This maltodextrins is not true triose, is actually trisaccharides. It's actually trisaccharides of 3 alpha glucose. Okay, this was oligosaccharide. Now let's go to the polysaccharides. Okay, polysaccharides. Polysaccharides is the condensation product of more than 10 monosaccharide units. Condensation product of more than 10 monosaccharide units. And examples can be like starch or dextrin. And these polysaccharides can be classified as exosomes or pentosomes, depending on the identity of the molecules they have. Identity of molecules they have.